Welcome to PCMac.biz. Today we are going to look at Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. So let's get started. So as you can see the box, I bought it from an offline store for around 2900 rupees, that is INR. And as we open the box, we'll see that it contains two items. One is the safety instruction and quick starter guide from Element 14, and the second thing is Raspberry Pi itself. Let me take it out. So here you can see from this end it contains 4 USB ports and 1 Ethernet port, and here is the headphone jack, and this one is the HDMI port with a plus 5 volt power adapter. You can use your phone charger to charge this device. Now from the top you can see here, this is a display port, and here is the port for the camera connector. Let me just show you a close-up. So you can buy this board online as well. I'll put the link in the description of the video. Now the things required to power up this device. One is adapter, and it's cable, the USB cable. So let me show you the configuration of the adapter. The adapter you required is minimum of 5 volt and 1 ampere. The maximum power Raspberry Pi can take, it's 1 ampere and 5 volt. As you can see, it's right here, and let me just zoom it for you. Right here, and you can use a data cable like this. One end is the mini USB, which can fit it into your Pi like this, and other end to your charger to power it up like this. And to install the operating system you require a memory card of around 8 GB. That is right here. I'm using a 32 GB of SanDisk Ultra SD card. Let me show it to you. And it's a class 10 SD card. We recommend you to use a higher class SD card for better performance. And adapter as well. I'm using this adapter, SanDisk adapter, to install the operating system on the SD card. So these are all the things you required to power up your Raspberry Pi and start working with it. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.